Welcome to our channel. This is Techie Rick. Today, Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite camera test. This device main highlight gyroscope camera with support 50x digital zoom. How is it work? Okay, first look the camera specs. Phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 48 megapixel, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide, third one 8 megapixel gyroscope camera with 5x optical zoom, 50x digital zoom. Last one 5 megapixel macro lens. Okay, first look the camera view. Okay, it's ultra wide angle lens, 8 megapixel. Color quality, it's good. And today, sunny day. Yeah, it's sunny day. Very hot. Wow, it's cool. Okay, let's look the camera. Okay, it's ultra wide, 8 megapixel. I'm just take one shot. Then it's normal lens. Also, I'm take one shot. Then it's 5x optical zoom. Quality it's good. Okay, this device main highlight 50x digital zoom. Okay, let's try how's the quality. Okay, the x whoops. Okay, once again. Yeah, quality is good. Okay, it's a 50x. Stability it's not bad because compared to this device price. Quality color is good. Let's look the sample. First one ultra wide, second one normal. Quality is looking good, but just I'm crop the image. Ultra wide color is a little bit different. Then normal lens, it's 50x digital zoom sample, normal and 50x zoom. Then again other sample, it's normal one, 50x digital zoom. Wow, quality is good, right? What about you think, guys? Let's watch some samples, normal and 50x digital zoom samples.
Have you heard the new song from More Plastic? Well, here goes. I shall pray for you. I shall pray for you.